Hi everyone, welcome back to our DBMS complete course. In our previous video, we have learned about DBMS architecture. Today's video, we will understand database schema and database instance. This topic is one of the easiest yet most frequently asked questions in interview, college exams and placements. So let's begin. So what is database schema? Okay. So basically, database schema is a logical structure or design of a database. Logical structure or design of a database. It defines tables, columns, data types, relationship, constraints, primary keys, foreign keys. Okay. So schema tells us how the database is designed, not what the data is stored. Okay. So let's consider a real life example of a house blueprint. Okay. So think about a house blueprint. Okay, let's say this is a house blueprint. The blueprint defined three bedroom. The blueprint defined three bedroom, one, two, three bedroom, two bathrooms, okay, one kitchen. But it does not tell us who lives there. Okay, it does not tell who lives there. Who lives there? How many people are inside? Which room is occupied? So the blueprint is the schema. Okay, overall. Let's consider another example. Imagine a school database. Let's say we have a school database. This is a school database. We have a student table. Inside that we have a student ID. This is a student ID. Name, age, and course. Even if there are zero students, the table still exists. That table structure is called a schema. Okay. Let me explain with a simple example. Create table students student ID int name varchar 50 age int and course varchar 50. So this school SQL statement creates only the table structure. No student data has been inserted. So this is a schema. Okay, this is overall the schema. Now our next question is, what is database instance? Basically, database instance is a actual data stored in a database. Actual data stored in the database at a specific moment. At a specific moment. Whenever data changes, the instance also changes. Let's consider a simple example. We have a two columns, student ID and name. Inside that, student ID is 101 and name is, let's say, John. Okay. So after 1 hour, student ID, inside the student ID, one more record is inserted, 102 and Emma. Okay. Now tomorrow, one more record is also inserted, 103 and David. David. The table structure never change. Okay, only the data change. So that's called a database instance. So the SQL example is insert into students values 101 John John age is 20 and course is DBMS. Okay, now the table contains data. That data is also called the instance. So if tomorrow you run SQL statement, that is delete from students where student id equal to 101, the data changes. Okay, so the instance changes, the schema remains the same, that is the structure remains the same, only this instance will change. So let's think the real world example. Okay, let's take a real world example. Imagine an Instagram example. Okay, so Instagram has a user table. Okay, we have one user, this is, let's consider as a user table, and inside that we have a user id, username, email id and password. These columns rarely changes. Okay, so this is a schema, or this is overall the schema. Now every second new user registered. Okay, user changes profile pictures, users update names, users delete the account. All these changing records are a database instance which is inside this table. Okay, and this is overall the schema. Now another example we can consider, think about the Amazon. Okay, we have a one product table. Let's say we have one product table, and inside that we have product ID, product name, price, and last one is quantity. This structure remains almost constant, but products like products are added. Okay, updated products, we can update the products and we can delete the products, but the schema remains almost constant. That changing information in a database, this changing information like added, updated, deleted, this is a database instance. Okay, so now let's see schema versus instance. Okay, so schema is a, we can say schema is overall a structure. Okay, whereas on the instance it is a data. Schema rarely change, but instance changes frequently. Okay, schema created during database design. Okay, this created during the database design, whereas instance changes after insert, update and delete. Okay, schema is, we can say, the blueprint, whereas on the another side instance actual the record is there. Okay, so easy trick to remember. Okay, schema, we can consider schema as a, schema is structure, whereas instance is a information, or we can say schema is a blueprint, means overall structure, and instance is a data. Okay, so now here the common mistake students makes. Okay, many beginners think schema means data which is storing inside the table. That's incorrect. That's incorrect. Okay, remember, table column relationship is equal to schema, whereas on another side rows inside the table is equal to instance. Another mistake is thinking schema changes every time data changes, but no, only the instance changes. Schema usually changes only when you alter the database design. Okay. So now the interview question rises: what is database schema? What is database instance? Okay. So I already explained database schema and database instance. Database schema is a logical structure of a database that defines tables, columns, relationships, constraints, and data types. And database schema is actual data stored inside the database at a particular point in time. Okay. Now the third question is which changes more frequently. Okay. So schema not, but database instance. Yes. Database instance changes more frequently. Okay. We can insert, we can update, we can delete anytime. So vSQL the next question is vSQL commands changes schema. Okay, vSQL command changes the schema. So create changes the schema. Okay, alter changes the schema, and drop also changes the schema. These are the three commands which change the schema. Now the next question is vSQL command change instance. Okay, now vSQL command change the instance. Insert change the instance. Okay, we can insert the data. Update change the command, we can update the data. Delete change the commands, that is we can delete the data. Okay, so for the quick revision, schema defines the database structure, instance contains the actual data, schema change rarely, and instance changes frequently. Schema is equal to blueprint, whereas on the other side instance is equal to data. Okay, so today's video we understood database schema and database instance using house, school, Instagram, Amazon, and SQL examples. If you can if you can explain this topic using these examples in an interview, you will make a strong impression. In our next video, we will learn one of the most important DBMS topics, keys in DBMS, including primary key, foreign key, candidate key, super key, composite key, alternate key, unique key, surrogate key, and natural key with SQL example. Don't miss the video. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं फिल्मोरा है ना।